you guys, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show you my haul today. Walgreens has some really good deals, and there are also some really good coupons that expired today, May 17th. So if you have any of the coupons that I'm going to mention in these videos, I would definitely advise you guys to go to Walgreens and get in on some of these amazing deals and steals. Of course, only if you can do it safely. Now, before I get into this crazy haul, I'm just so excited about this haul, you guys, to tell you guys what I did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because we are on the way to 1K. And I will be doing a giveaway once we reach 1K, you guys. Give it back to my subscribers because you guys have given me so much. So yeah, let's just get right into this haul. I am so excited. Okay, you guys, so for my first transaction, I wanted to take advantage of the pamper deals. A really good pamper deal going on this week. So this week the Pampers on sale for $8.99, and when you buy 4, you get 10,000 points. So I wanted to get something that I had coupons for. So I have a 3 off of 2 Pampers, like the diapers. You can get either the Cruisers, the Swaddlers, and I'm sure they have other diapers as well. And then I also had a 3 off of 2 Easy Ups. So I picked up 2 of the Pamper Cruisers and 2 of the Easy Ups. So all 4 of these totaled out to $35.96. I used both of those $3 off of 2 coupons, dropping my total down to $29.96, and you get back 10,000 points, making it just $19.96 for all 4, or $4.99 each. Now, if you have that spend 25 to get 7,000 points, you can do the Pamper deals alone. That booster would also stack, making it just, that means you would still pay the $29.96, but this time you'll be getting back 17,000 points, 10,000 for the deal, and then 7,000 for the booster, making all 4 of them just $12.96 or $3.24, which is an amazing deal. If you are a parent or you know a parent with kids who are still in diapers or pull-ups, I would say that this is a go-to deal. And so the next thing I picked up was the Persil. Now, you guys know I've been raving about these Persils all week long. The moment I found out about getting the Persil for as cheap as 99 cents, I was just super excited. So you guys know I had to get it. So I picked up 1 of the Persils in this deal for $4.99. And when you buy 1, you get 2,000 points. Now that deal alone, without any coupons, makes this bottle of Persil just $2.99. But it gets even better if you still have those $2 off coupons that expired today, Sunday, May 17th. They expired today, you guys. So if you still have any of them coupons, go. It will drop the total down to $2.99. You will pay $2.99, but you'll get back 2,000 points, making it just 99 cents. And this is a deal you can use points for. The diaper deal is a deal you can do points with as well because it's just a buy deal and not a spend deal. So yeah. Then the last thing I picked up 1 of these Snuggles. These Snuggle and all products are on sale this week for $2.99. And there is a $1 off digital as well as $1 off inserts that came out today, this Sunday, dropping it down to just $1.99. So all of these products came out to $43.94. I had $9 in coupons, dropping it down to $34.94. I did pay that out of pocket, so I paid $34.94. I got back a total of 27,000 points, 10 for the diaper deal, 7,000 for the booster, 2,000 for the Persil. I got back the 10 times booster. It also attached, which was 4,300 points, as well as I got back 10 times the points for my birthday, making this whole this first transaction just a little under $8, so $7.77 for all 6 items, or just $1.29 each. Now for my second transaction, I did do this transaction on my second card because this card also had the spend 25 and get 7,000 point booster. So I just wanted to split up my transactions and get the most bang for my buck. So you guys, Walgreens has Listerine on sale this week for spend 10 and you get 5,000 points, which is really good because I wanted to take advantage of that $5 rebate again from LISTERINE.com. So I picked up one of the Ready tabs, which is $2.99, and I also picked up one of the 1 liter bottles for $8.29. This came to a total of $11.29. I used a $2 off Listerine Ready tab digital found in the app, as well as a $1 off Listerine coupon that actually expires today on the 17th, which dropped my total down to $8.29, and I got back 5,000 points plus the $5 rebate, making it free plus a $1.72 moneymaker, which is really good because you can redeem this rebate I think a total of 3 times. This will be my 2nd time, but you cannot redeem them multiple ones on the same receipt. They have to be different receipts, and I will be adding the link in the description box, as well as I will pin it in the comment section below. Next, I picked up 6 of the Renews-Its. They're on sale this week for 89 cents each, and we did get a buy 4 get 2 free coupon in today's inserts. So 6 is going to total out to $5.34. With the coupon, it's going to drop it down to just $3.56. There is a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making it just $1.56 for all 6, or 26 cents each. Now, if you've already redeemed this rebate on Ibotta, don't worry, because so did I, and it did reset. So I would just take a look and see if it reset, because more than likely it probably did. On this one, I did the Snuggle again. I picked up 2 of the Snuggles for $2.99. I used a $1 off digital and a $1 off coupon, making them both just $1.99 each. And then last but not least, I picked up one more Persil at $4.99. I used a $2 off coupon, paying $2.99, getting back 2,000 points, making this Persil just 99 cents. Now, this whole transaction before coupons was $27.60. I had a total of $8.78 in coupons, which brought me down to $18.82. I did pay that out of pocket, and I got back a total of 16,700 points. I got back 5,000 for the Listerine, 7,000 for the booster, 2,000 for the Persil, and roughly 2,700 points for the 10 times boost. I also got back $2 from Ibotta and a $5 Listerine rebate, making it just free plus $4.88 moneymaker. Now, for these last 4 things of Persil, I did have to go to another store. I went to another store because I wanted to use the last 4 coupons that I had. So I broke this up into 2 transactions, and I did the exact same thing on both transactions. I picked up 2 things of Persil at $4.99 each, totaling $9.98. I used 2 $2 off coupons, dropping it down to just $5.98. I did use 5,000 points and only paid the 98 cents plus tax, and I got back 4,000 points, making each one of them 99 cents each. And like I said, I did do this on 2 different transactions. Even though the receipt says a limit of 1 per transaction, shopping trip, whatever, I know for a fact that the system allows 2. I didn't know if it allowed more, so I just wanted to play it safe and just do 2 at a time. And yeah, you guys, I'm just so excited that I was able to use all of my Persil coupons that I had left to just stock up on some Persil, because I really love Persil. And I'm probably going to give this Persil actually to my mom because she loves it too. And like I said, I am here with her right now, so all of these Persils are pretty much going to go to her. So you guys, for everything that you see, I paid $65.72. That is after coupons, but I got back 53,800 points, which is equivalent to a little over $53, as well as $7 from rebate offers. If you guys are not already signed up with Ibotta, I will be showing my referral code as well as my referral link. Whether you sign up under me or anyone else, I really advise you guys to sign up with Ibotta. So this makes everything just $4.92. This is an amazing haul. I have 21 items. I'm talking diapers, Persil, Listerine, everything that you see for just $4.92. That's pretty much all I have in this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. We are almost at 1K. And I am just so excited. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next time, you guys, bye.